Is it possible to catch COVID-19 during an immunization visit to a healthcare facility? During a visit to the hospital or another healthcare facility, it is possible to get infected with the virus that causes COVID-19. People come to these facilities with and without symptoms for medical care. In general, immunization sessions are organized in such a way as to minimize the risk of infection with COVID-19 or other diseases, including through hand hygiene, use of personal protective equipment, environmental cleaning, prompt waste management, and by separating patients and healthy people via separate opening hours or entrances. Each person visiting a health facility should also comply with recommendations provided by local authorities and healthcare providers to protect themselves and others.